I served in the United States Navy. I spent 20 years in service. I joined in 88 until 2008. I applied with someone else, some other guy, because I was telling them about my sleep apnea, because that's the one that I know that I can work on because I already been working with that. He didn't even interview me. Probably he's busy. He has X amount of client, and then he said, but I can refer you to this Trajector Medical. And I called, and that's how I ended up with. Yeah, I kept the Trajector with 90. It jumped to 100. Oh, I'm happy when my how you know your rating is 100% because the money came first before the paperworks. I had a feeling that I'm gonna get 100%. I just don't know how to file it electronically. You don't have to think it twice. It's no brainer. After a while, you're gonna get even. You might pay, but that is only limited time. After that, all the money is yours. So it's no brainer. Thank you for those people that are talking to me, Justin, and those people out there. I had a good time talking to them. I enjoy talking to them, and they're really true to their work.